Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is cool clean guitar phrasing or clean guitar phrasing. This is basically what I mean with this. Just an example of one of my songs, but it can be any song. How you make a really nice phrasing. Yeah, and so on. There's a song of mine called Unemployed Peer. I found that that would be the right choice for this topic. But as I said, you can do that over any song where you want to do a clean guitar solo. So let's get started. In this case, the track is in D minor, so I'm basically using the D minor scale, which would be this one here. This one in the low position and in the high position here. You can also just use pentatonics, but for a few things it's really needed to use the minor scale, but it's not really essential if it just comes with the phrasing, but this is the scale which is used in those cases. So the low position here and the high position here, 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 10, 11, 13, 10, 12, 13. Yeah, so these are the two scales. Now, the clean guitar sound is itself pretty sweet if you just press a string somewhere and just play the string. Sounds pretty sweet, so there's not so much which has to be done with the tone, but still if you really want to have a really sweet sound, there's a lot of phrasing needed, and I'm just going to show some tricks and ideas which I found out over my time as a guitar player, which might help you. So as an example, we select the theme of my song, which is a good example for how you can do phrasing. The theme is very simple, it's like this. So this first part of the theme, second. So we have a little motif, an answer, motif again, second answer. Now, how is it played? We are in the D minor scale below here. We make the bending here. So you can make you can do like this, but if you do the staccato with a clean sound, when you make staccato stuff, you more highlight the reverb which is on the sound, or if you have a delay. See, that was a reverse delay. I love reverse delays on clean guitar, not so much normal delays. I don't know why. Yeah, but you can do with or without, and so. Also pay attention to the vibrato. Really work on each note. Now comes the second. This little phrase. 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 5. So you can play it like this. Or you want to make it more smooth, you make hammer on. Twice. Pull off. Now you change the finger, or if you want to make it as a double stop. And if you make double stop, you can also add a vibrator with the entire guitar by pressing your arm against the guitar and moving the guitar a little bit. This way you can, with clean guitar, see, use this vibrator as well. So we have see how that works? Really nice. Instead of just playing it. And another trick is to just attack the strings very smooth, not hard. Like sometimes I even hold the pick so loose that it literally drops out of my fingers to get a more soft sound. Yeah, that's one of the tricks to make it really sound more smooth, and also with the phrasing. Now let's see the answer of the motif. Second one. This one, this specific. You could play it like this. Or like this. Which is not really cool. I mean, it's the same notes, but I did. What did I do here? I slide it up here in the 10th, pull off, slide down. So I just attack once, and then attack again. But in this case, I make shortly before it's like a hammer on, but not completely hammer. See, this is a very short one. So we have and ended up, of course, with the vibrato. Very soft, smooth. With the vibrato, really pay attention that it goes in both directions. Oops. Let's see how it sounds together with the track. The softness and the smoothness. And also would prefer the neck kick. Now, did you notice what I did? I played the melody twice and made slight variations in the phrasing. What did I do? First, the first version I already showed. The second version was... In this case, I attacked the string harder. Now the overtones come out. See? And then... And here now I use the open string as a hammer. And the second time you can, instead of doing a hammer on here, you attack them. See, and also here you don't do a pull off. You make by attacking reducing the amount of legato playing elements, which was hammer and pull off. You make it more defined, and you have more variation in it. And even you play the same thing twice, it doesn't sound the same anymore. That's the basic trick. See? Also on this one, wait. In this case, I didn't do the legato thing anymore. I just attacked all of them. See? Yeah, that's basically how you make variations. Now let's check a second part of the melody, which is this one here, and how you can do there as well. This works up here in the other position, starting here. So what happened here now? Also very simple. The melody is very simple. We're starting here, 10, 11, 13, we just go down the scale. But the phrasing makes the big difference. We are here, then we go up here. Again, this trick I showed before. And here we do a pull off, slide down, bring in legato elements. And the second time I did a rake, play the same thing, but I now made a rake. A rake is you go over the strings and you want to have that one sound. See? And then attack harder. Again with this. And here we don't do the slide. And we create the difference here. And that's, even you play the same thing twice, it sounds different. And that's one of the main tricks, how you create really cool variations on simple things which you're playing, but you really have to control them. And on clean guitar, it's really very essential that you're able to do that stuff. And don't noodle around too much. I mean, you can noodle around if you want or if you can, but mostly it doesn't really make sense to noodle around. It's more cool that you make these little slide things which make it so sweet and smooth. So let's play the whole thing now. I switched on again the delay. Well, you also can play without delay. So. Yeah, I played the whole theme twice, made even more variations on the timing, a little bit more on the articulation, on the dynamics, play very soft, attack harder. And this way you really create this tension which is needed. And also making breaks and don't play, not playing, pause is also music. Enjoy not playing and then suddenly you play, and that's really what makes the big difference. Yeah, folks, that was some ideas how to really get your clean lead guitar sweet, smooth and soft and have these little things which really makes it the way we want it. As I said, with delays, I don't like having normal delays on clean guitar because somehow it washes up the thing with the reverse delay. I'm pretty fine because it gives like a little cloud of sweetness. Yeah. What more to say about this? The main trick with dynamics I found out is really with the pick. That sometimes if you attack hard, you hold it hard, and if you make it soft, then that literally drops out of your hands, and you make these really soft things. So. Try to really explore how dynamic you can play by playing very soft, by losing up the pick, or playing very hard, and just try to go into extremes, very soft, very loud, and see how it feels also with the sound. Yeah, good. One more to say, if you really want to practice the way I showed, the tabs and the backing track can be downloaded in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Link is in the description. And for social media, there's some new stuff which is really here. I have an Instagram account. Link is also in the description. I have a Google account. Just search HPCrazy in Google. And new is also, I have the Guitar Academy in Google Maps. If you want to write me a review there or a feedback, I really would appreciate it. Link is also in the description box. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink are nice signing off. Coming back with some more clean lead stuff very soon.